This is a 50-year-old gold crown. The reason I know that is this patient had this crown done by the previous dentist that I worked with. You can see that's the upper right first molar and that the bone level is about 3 millimeters from the gum. He's retired out in Scottsdale, Arizona, and came back to visit in Chicago and has returned to my practice. And the crown has been there since 1981 when I originally met him. You can see that he's had a root canal on it, and but the crown itself isn't mobile, and he's missing the second molar, but he's been able to function with that, and the margins on this crown are smooth, and it just goes to show that a gold crown can last for a long, long time if you can take care of it and keep it clean. This is truly a functional crown.